Mila's English Class and School presents Daily Phrase Dose. Still water runs deep. Calm people often have strong, deep personalities. Personal reflections. Over the years, I've learned that still water runs deep. Calm people often have strong, deep personalities, navigating life's challenges with quiet strength. Complimenting others. Your ability to remain composed under pressure is impressive. It's true that still water runs deep, revealing strong, deep personalities. Conflict resolution. During our team meeting, Sarah's serene handling of disagreements showed that still water runs deep. Calm people often have strong, deep personalities that foster productive discussions.
Leadership discussions. Our leader's calm demeanor during crises shows that still water runs deep. It reflects a strong, deep personality that guides us through challenges with steady resolve. Psychological insights. Psychologists often note that still water runs deep. Calm people often have strong, deep personalities, showing resilience and depth in their emotional responses.
Look at these examples in contextual sentences.
Still waters run deep, Mark. Still waters run deep.
Still waters run deep.
Still waters don't necessarily run.
Still waters run deep.
Still waters run deep.
Please believe.
Yeah, still waters run deep.
Still waters run deep there, William.
Please like, comment and subscribe for more English learning videos.